Hello, everyone. My name is Mark Richards. This October 2023, both Neal Ford and I will be presenting a workshop at the Global Software Architecture Summit in Barcelona about building distributed systems using transactional sagas. Building distributed systems is hard. There are so many decisions you need to make, particularly within regards to distributed transactions, communication protocols, and workflow coordination. It turns out that these three hard decisions cannot be made independently. Neal and I call these the primal forces of distributed architecture. And there's three primal forces, each with a binary decision, which turns out to be 8 possible combinations. We call these transactional sagas stories about how to construct a distributed architecture. Neal and I will walk you through all 8 of these transactional sagas, combining these three forces: consistency, communication, and coordination. We'll show you how they work in a happy path, and also how they work when errors occur. It turns out that by using transactional sagas, we can simplify the decision-making process of these 3 really hard decisions. We've got lots of exercises for you. It's a very hands-on workshop, so I'm hoping you'll join us for the Global Software Architecture Summit workshop this October in 2023 in Barcelona.